Hey guys, I'm Jocelyn Delk Adams of Grandbaby Cakes, and I am gonna show you one of my favorite childhood classics, but with a twist. I am going to show you how to make my pizza meatloaf. So to start, I've got some ground beef. You can also make this with ground turkey, totally up to you. I've got some parsley that's chopped up. I'm gonna also add in some pepper and some seasoning salt for some flavor. I've got some chopped up minced garlic. I've got some Italian seasoning. This is gonna really amp up that Italian flavor. And then I've got some breadcrumbs, and these are Italian flavored as well. And I grabbed all of my ingredients at my local Tom Thumb, so you'll find everything there. And then to really sort of amp up that pizza flavor, I've got some pepperoni that I've chopped up too. And then let's add in our binders. I've got 2 eggs, and then I have some milk as well. Mixing everything together. So I'm just gonna start adding this directly into my pan. I want to create a well right in the center. So as you're pressing, just make sure to sort of scoop the meat to the side because we're going to add some cheese in there. And then I'm gonna place the rest of my meat mixture right on top of this. And we're gonna hide it so no one knows it's there. All right, this is ready to bake. I'm popping this in the oven at 375 for about 50 minutes, and then we can add our sauce. So while our meatloaf is in the oven, let's work on our topping. I love this classico tomato and basil sauce that is really rich and flavorful, and it's the perfect complement to our pizza meatloaf. And then I just wanna heat this up. And once it's warmed through, you can turn off the heat. So our meatloaf is out of the oven, and our last step is to add our sauce right on top. And then I just add a little sprinkling of our parsley. And here is our perfect melty cheese surprise pizza meatloaf. If this isn't comfort food, I don't know what is. I mean, this is perfect for Sunday supper or even a weeknight treat. It's absolutely delicious, and I know the entire family will enjoy it.